Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Digicel is one step closer to settling its debt restructuring negotiations with its lenders. The telecoms company, which is saddled with about $6.7 billion of debt, announced yesterday that nearly 98% of creditors have taken up an offer to getting their money back at a later time than originally agreed. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Following 4 months of negotiations, Digicel said as at January 9, 97.9% of its creditors say they are willing to accept repayments later than originally agreed. The bonds were originally scheduled to be repaid in October 2020, but now some lenders will get repayment in 2022, while others will get the payments in 2024. Digicel negotiated the deal over 2 months and extended the deadline for creditors to agree to the new terms 4 times before reaching the current arrangement. Digicel was forced into the negotiations because of cash flow problems, which it forecast would have affected its ability to repay as originally scheduled. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day trading at $130.87. The Canadian dollar closed at $98.94. The pound is going for $166.67, while the euro is being sold for $150.28. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in February went up by 29 cents to settle at $52.59 a barrel. The JSE index is up by 1,616 points today, while the junior market index is down 39 points. Stocks posting gains include 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, Carib Cement, Elite Diagnostic, General Accident Insurance, Jamaica Producers, Pan Jam Investments, and on the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, Epley, Fontana, Grace Kennedy, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Key Insurance, and Lasco Distributors.